All right, happy Monday. We're going to start with rhyme recognition, okay? I'm going to say 2 words. Give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. Play, stay. Hope you gave me a thumbs up. Chair, me. Thumbs down for that one. Wet, net. Thumbs up. Harp, sharp. Yep, they rhyme. Joke, mess. Nope, joke and mess don't rhyme. Onset fluency. I'm going to say the words. You repeat them and tell me what they start with. Men, mouse. Good. Pale, poor. Puh. Name, nest. Ton, tuck. T. Hair, hold. Huh. Good. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. B, E, B. Your turn. S, E, C. F, E, fee. K, E, key. M, E, me. And they all rhyme. They all have the E sound at the end. Good job. Okay, we're going to isolate our middle sounds, our medial sounds. K, an. A. N, et. E. S, it. It. Op. A. J, Good job. Okay, we're segmenting. Get your choppers out. I'll say it and then you repeat after me. No, o. Low, o. Go, g, o. So, s, o. Toe, t, o. Okay, we're going to add our phonemes. I'm going to get the ending out. He, add h at the beginning to make he. I think I said that one. A, add d at the beginning to make day. Oo, add t at the beginning to make two. I, add p at the beginning to make pie. O, add o at the beginning to make low. Good job. Now we're going to delete, take part of it away. Pay without p, what's left? A. B without b, what's left? E. High without h, what's left? I. Go without g, what's left? O. Two without t, what's left? Ooh, very good. Almost done. Okay, now we're going to change. I'm going to take part away and put a new part in. We have the word be, change b to s. What do we have? C. We have C, change s to n. What do we have? Knee. We have knee, change n to m. What's the word? Me, me. We have me change to f. What do we have? Fee. And this week we're going to do some of our old rhymes and see if you remember them. They're from last year, so you might not remember them. And then you get to pick your favorite. So the first one is Ba Ba Black Sheep. I'll say one sentence, you repeat after me. Ba Ba Black Sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Ba, ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Okay, and we'll have a new one tomorrow that will go over one from last year too. Good job.